Hello. In this video, we will talk about one challenge which comes in when the formulas are not being automatically updated. I'll take example of this table wherein we have names, points, value per point, and total value. If you look carefully, total value is the product of column C and column D. So now in this case, let's change one of the values so that automatically the formula should also update and product should be updated in that case. So instead of 2, we've changed it to 5, but still the product does not change. So we have to enter and now we can see the value is changing. The clear reason for this is the calculation is not automatically happening, and simple solution is go into the formula section. Under the formulas, right side, we can see the calculation options. In that, instead of manual, change it to automatic. Now we can see it has been updated to automatic. And now let's do the changes here. So instead of 4, we are making this 8. And once this is done, automatically all the values are being updated. So here's another example. Instead of 2, we've updated this to 4. And the product comes out to be 40. Hope this helps. Thank you.